Yes.
right? So Warren Buffett had recently said that, and Charlie Munger is one of the best fund managers in the history, it is said. So these both guys, they said that, these investors who are recently trading in the market, they are foolish. They don't know what to do. And platforms like Robinhood have just given a lot of beginners a platform to invest in. They don't know what to do. So he used a very significant part of casino aspect. So they are saying that these new investors are like casino gamblers. And so what they were trying to say is that these guys don't have an idea as much as we have. So this is where some people like this Robinhood, they just backfired. They said this statement, I'll just read that. The spokesperson said this statement: there is an old guard that does not want average Americans to have a seat on the Wall Street table, so they will resort to inserts. Right? Can you see what is the word that they've used? Correct. So they backfired on Warren Buffett, saying that these are the guys who don't want others to grow. Right? They said that the old guard of investing is at it again. The two most iconic investors insulted a new generation of the weekend and so on this weekend. So that's what they were just saying, that they don't want new investors to grow. They feel that how can new investors make money? That's what Robinhood said. So there's a very fierce battle going online between the old generation of people who've made money with the new investors. And that's what is happening in US. A very, very interesting thing. So there's a quite amount of discussion where people like Warren Buffett are saying that no, all these new investors are foolish. They don't know what is happening with the market. Like, even during the pandemic, a lot of people were saying that, oh, the markets should fall. This is just a speculation by a lot of new investors who are sitting at home. They don't know anything and all that, right?
Yes.
But they did show that, they can make money. Even if the markets did crash and then they again went up. So some traditional theories may not work in always. Initially, that is called madness, but later on, that becomes every successful thing until not successful is said to be madness. So there's a very big fight going between the previous generation, the older generation who's made money, and the new generation which is trying to make money. So very good online battle these days going between Warren Buffett, and someone has for the first time criticized Warren Buffett so heavily. So see, they have used this word. I'll read this. People are tired of the Warren Buffetts and Charlie Mungers of the world, acting like they are the only oracles of investing. And at Robinhood, we are not going to sit back while they dispatch every day people for taking control of their financial lives. So they have very strongly, come up on Warren Buffett. This is for the first time it has ever happened. Okay. It's like in our country, someone criticizing Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Mukesh Ambani, or the new investors from Robinhood is like Zerodha in our country. So what if the founder of Zerodha, who's made a revolution in investments, equity trading in India, right? For people like you and me, what if he criticizes Mukesh Ambani or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? It's like that heavy news in the US. Got it?
Yes.
So this is just an extra slide for your information. This is nothing related to the topic. I just wanted to tell you how the world is moving from active to passive investments and so on.